Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on gathering data. Surveys are conducted daily all around the world for a variety of reasons. People doing surveys need to be perfectly clear about the purpose of the survey. After that, a target audience is needed so that they can be surveyed. Finally, the process of data gathering begins. What is data? Data, in simple terms, can involve numerical or non-numerical items. It is called data because it has not been organized yet. Once it is organized, it becomes information. We can make sense of it. Consider the situation where a teacher wants to know what pets are owned by the students in the class. After each student was questioned, the following appeared on the board. These are the names of all the animals. The items on the board are a great example of data. They have not been organised. Let's see how we can fix that on the next slide. Constructing a table. A simple way of turning data into information is by making use of a table as follows. I have repeated the names of the animals for ease of reference. So basically you go through the list and you put down all the different animals that were mentioned. Then you go through one by one and you write down these tally marks. When you see cat, you put a stroke there. Then you see dog, you put a stroke there. And you keep going until you exhaust all the animals. And this is a neat way of doing 5. So you just put 4 strokes and the 5th stroke goes along there. That way it's easy to count at the end because we know that's 5. That's 5 plus 3 is 8. That's 4, 1 and 2. We can now see that the dog is the most popular pet because that's the one with the greatest number, followed by the cat and the bird. So they are those two there, they are the next ones in line. So definitely the dog is way out in front and the cat and the bird follow on. Lizards and mice are the least popular because they have very small numbers. The names in the yellow box represent data. When they were organised in a meaningful way, they became information. So here we're looking at a table which presents us with information because we can make sense of it. Another example. The following data represent the colours of cars entering a car park. So these are all the different colours. Let's see how we can organise this on the following slide. The data on the previous page is organised in the following table. So we've got colour, tally marks and the total. They're all the colours. After we go through with our tally marks and take a record, we change these tally marks to numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. That's 4, 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 and 2. We saw earlier the entries in the table have been organised in a meaningful way. We can extract information from this table. So let's see how easy it is to answer these questions. Number 1. What was the most popular colour entering the car park? Obviously the one with the largest number, which was white. What was the least popular colour? The one with the smallest number, black. Now this is a very interesting question. It's a little bit inferential. That means we've got to sort of make a judgment here. Can we guess the climate of the country? Well, most of the cars that we've seen are white, and then you've got a lot that are silver, which is sort of a light colour, isn't it? The one that we haven't seen much of is black, so that possibly tells us that the weather in the country could be warm because people don't like to have black cars. So there's a possible answer. So we've seen in this video how we can collect data. When we organise it, excuse me, it becomes information. and we can make sense of it.